taking it. I'm taking the long. I'm taking it. I'm in.
Okay.
9 points. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! I caught that motherfucker, dog! Whoa!
Yeah.
I'm up 700, 800 on micros. I'm up 2,400. I'm up 1,000 per count on micros. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I'm up huge. Look at the short, my boy. That was a beautiful fucking. Where's my students at? Oh my God. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max with the one and only Mr. Sober Pay to Play Llama Llama Red Pajama. It is April 21st, 9:30 in the morning. The market is open and we're gonna have a great day, Llama. We're gonna have a great day. I am tired. I do not feel well. I drove back from Tampa at midnight last night to fucking make it to the morning show, Llama. I'm dedicated to the game. No one can tell me I'm not dedicated to the game, Llama. I drove back from Tampa 4 hours to make it to the damn morning show.
Wow. No one can tell you you're not dedicated or skinny. Fat ass up. Let's get to work.
Oh, you got a baby filter on again?
Nah, what do you mean?
You got a baby filter on?
Nah, bro. I just,
You do
just
Botox?
young. Just a young guy, bro. Not all of us are, almost pushing 40.
I'm 35, player. You do Botox?
Nah, no Botox. I need to do Botox. You see my eyes? You see like these bags under there?
The only line I've ever seen from you is that fat fucking
It's this
crease
one
right
right
here in your
here.
because you look like a bulldog. You look like a dog. You have like that fucking dog face where you fucking have that fat, disgusting, like that dog right there. You literally look just like that fucking dog.
You know what's
But
funny about that
other than
line?
that, it looks. Other than that, you look like you have Botox, like the smooth, thick Hispanic look. Like that's literally. Llama, which one are you? Which one are you?
You know what's funny about that line? You ever seen those guys that draw you at like
Big Daddy
Universal
Llama,
and shit?
hold on. Sorry. Real big relative strength on NQ here. Really, really big relative strength on
Still haven't logged
NQ.
it?
It is ripping, and SPX. As long as it's above 21, really, right here. I'm going to watch SPX for a continuation down, potentially to break 25 here. I'm looking for a continuation down. If it can get down to like that 21 mark on SPX, but NQ is holding like a fucking brick right now. It is not wanting to drop. So relative strength, Llama, I'm just going to hold on. Here we go. Llama, the people are going crazy. They're begging for the screen.
Oh my God, bro. You guys can't just lock in off the sound of our voices? Like, didn't I tell you guys to go long at 929?
Wow, there's the bounce. There's the 3 fucking bounce, Llama. I might try
Did you guys really not go long at 929? Like, what the heck?
I might try and take the long here. Let's see if this thing can pop or break between the previous candle. I'm going to probably go for a long if we make a newer high on NQ, just because that relative strength is crazy. That relative strength is crazy, Llama.
One thing, ES is weak.
Weak. But that bounce off of 20, looking for the bounce off of 20 on ES.
Shit's gone. It's dump season.
Oh, yeah, it's dumping.
It's dumper season, my
Right
boys.
here. Hold on. We're hitting that 20 mark right here, Llama. Right here. I'm going to look for a potential retracement. And just like that, watch this. NQ. Come on. It's lagging, but it's lagging. It's sagging. We want it, baby.
What do you want? You want a long?
Oh, yeah. I want to go long. I just need to see something on SPX that's not red. I want to go long. I'm watching the strength on NQ right now. It wants to explode. It just needs ES to stop being a little hoe.
ES might need to take these little lows down here.
Come on, baby.
I think it's a tricky spot, bro. ES can either give a dumperson or flip the whole way.
Right. And Q's just breaking up and kind of ranging right now. So, but the strength is nice. Right here, SPX testing this 20 mark again. Let's see if it breaks.
It's not making newer lows. It's pianoing right now.
Right.
Definitely just pianoing.
Right. All right. This is gonna be a good one. If NQ can just hold this relative strength, this is gonna be a fucking banger. This is gonna be a banger. Hold on.
Yeah, ES is making it down moves, and NQ is
hold that
holding.
relative strength. And yeah, ES looks yucky. But look at NQ, not even budging. Not even budging. This next candle, probably gonna I'm gonna probably take the long. I'm gonna take the long, probably right fucking here. If this candle makes a high, I'm gonna take the long. This candle makes a high. If it 3 bars down, I will not take. Oh yeah, just like that. You don't want to be a part of that. All right, I'm gonna take it right. Bang. Here we go. SPX candle flip. SPX gets above 21, Llama. This is a fucking face ripper. SPX
just
gets
piano
above
bound, bro. This is up, down, up, down, up, down. Piano bound.
Yeah, it's ranging right now.
2 reds, it's gone.
A rangy boy.
It's a 3 bar on ES. I'm just hanging around.
Hanging hanging. Ooh, invalidation. Hanging around. I need SPX to take 21. I want it, baby. I want it. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. We are just staircasing fucking down. That's an interesting Monday open for ES just to fucking say, you know what? Fuck you. SPX is just like, you know what? Go fuck yourself. Go, baby. Come on. Damn, I gotta sit back and just watch this.
It looked to me the RR was way better for a sell than a buy, just based off ES. The NQ catch up.
The ES downtrend is gorgeous, and that was a perfect 3-bar break.
I mean the NQ catch up, like you could see we're chopping here, and
Whoa,
ES was already
on that 1
downside.
minute on NQ. Whoa, what just happened there?
The NQ, that's the NQ catch up, bro. I had to catch up to ES. It was ES was showing us a downtrend. It just made more sense. The RR was better for a sell off.
Hold on, is my NQ chart wrong? Or
there's the new low? Yeah.
Oh, holy shit! What a dump! Holy shit! What a dump, baby!
Looked pretty free. Looked pretty free. My girl texted me. Oh shit!
This is a big ass. So far, we got almost a $3 orb to the downside. Might just have to wait for orb.
These lows are interesting though. Could definitely flip from here, or if it respects this 236, it's a down move for another 100 points.
100 points. I mean, here's a candle flip. Here's a really nice candle flip. Good risk to reward.
I like these lows. That's what I was talking about on the pre-market.
Is that pre-market lows?
No, those are London lows.
Very nice candle flip. Yeah, this might
be a 40 piece on this. Here can give a nice move.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it, Llama. I'm gonna take the long.
Yeah,
if it breaks above a new high, this next candle. If this next candle takes the long, I'm definitely gonna jump.
Yeah, I'm still just hanging around. Not a fan of these areas.
The neckline's around 110. The neckline's around 110. If that previous neckline and this candle flip, it could be a 3-bar down on NQ. Ooh.
We still got 7 minutes till OR, bro. I'm just hanging around. Took that sell, made like 1.2K. That boy Rusky. Good job, Russ.
Hanging around.
The sell, I'm not gonna give the chicken. I'm not gonna get the chicken out though.
Easy player. Easy.
Gonna get the chicken though. I thought it was really fun to get the chicken though.
Downtrend is just downtrending, boy. That is just strong. That is just beautiful downness. I mean, did the Pope passed away, Llama? Did you see the Pope passed away yesterday?
Bro, you saw that?
The Pope passed away yesterday, so
right,
I don't know if that impacts the markets. I don't think that impacts the markets, but we definitely that is some news. SPX, boy, the dump and go. Here's a 3-bar drop fill.
Easy. I mean, this entry is like not bad for the buy, but you want to see it like hold. I wouldn't even go stop down here. I'd probably go like here.
Right.
This hold. Just like a little RR trade.
I'm gonna right here. I mean, I told you if it breaks that 10, I'll probably take the long, Llama. If it breaks 10, I'm gonna set an entry for the 10. See if we can get in on that.
Did I just read market down but prayers up? That's crazy work. All right, I'm locked in now. I'm done doing what I have.
Locked in now. Okay, SPX looking pretty flippy. Let's see. Okay, NQ's at 10 right here. Here we go. Let's see. I'm just gonna wait for this candle closure. All right, SPX, give me 7. SPX needs to give me 17. SPX gives me 17, Llama. I'm ripping it. There we go. SPX gives me 17. I'm ripping it, Llama.
What, a buy? Yeah, right.
Oh yeah.
I like the buy from here. The buy really here was just RR. It was pretty clean. Not gonna lie.
Yep. It's going to continue down. I might scale into a long if that's fucking flips like right here. Oh yeah.
You clicked that button already?
Oh yeah. I didn't click shit. I want SPX at 17. I'm waiting for SPX to flip. Right there. Come on. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, SPX. Give the people what they want. Ready? Get ready for 17, Llama. Get ready. Get ready for that 17, Llama.
It looks like it could really go here though, my geyser. Keep it a beaner.
Get ready for that 17, my boy. Nope.
I think I should pay for that SPX, bro. My shit's delayed.
Nothing. No juice.
282.
No juice.
What's the rest of the market? Nvidia under $100. Wow.
Nvidia's under $100.
Under 100. It's at 97. Meta's red
here.
Down 2%. Tesla's down 5%. Wow. Apple's red. Everything's red.
Watching this ass take place. Here we go. Hold on. Here we go. Come on. Give me the 17. Give me the 17, baby. The double doji. The double doge. You want to go? Bro, I'm sitting here with a clean chart. It's ugly, Llama. It's ugly. It needs something on it. You know what I'm saying? It needs something on it, Llama. I ain't got nothing on this chart. Look at this.
Why don't you animate it already?
You need a buy signal or a sell signal or something.
Let's see. I mean, that's another top of the 2-3 CZ.
Right now, I got this is a Tradeovate. I'm group trading right now. That's my BDM colors are here. Can't currently show you my screen. Ooh, I got to sell some options. Ooh, we definitely got to sell some options. We don't want to be stuck like Chuck. Wow, the premiums are ass too. Premiums are ass. Yuck. I think if SPX breaks below 11, I'm gonna take the short.
Short looks good. If I can see a print through here, then I would definitely like try to target some shit.
Right.
But
This is just a mess. I'm on trade debate. I'm trying to get my
got
positions
orb
on.
in a minute and a half. I like so far. This midline top is pretty fire. It just looks range bound.
Right.
Really, the best shit was this setup here for the catch up.
Yeah, that was a good one. We're breaking lows here. You're breaking the range kind of to the downside here. This is the bottom wick of it. I mean, there's a really good risk to reward right here to see if NQ can get back over 100. It's a potential risk to reward trade, and especially if this is the bottom of orb. We're so close to the bottom of orb.
There's that print through of the 236. If it can print here, or potentially just hit a dump or something.
45 seconds till we got our orb. 45 seconds till we got our orb.
Thoughts on backtesting in your opinion, and do you backtest often? I've never backtested a day in my life ever. I forward test. I just trade on the market.
I just trade,
and
bro.
see if
I just
I'm right or
trade.
wrong.
I just trade, bro.
I've never backtested a day in my
All right,
life.
we got orb in 20 seconds here. We got orb in 20 seconds, and Q is flippity dippity down to the downside.
Yeah, now NQ looks weaker than ES.
ES showing some something. I don't know what you call it. Potential 3-bar down, maybe. Let's see how this candle closes. God, it's cold as fuck in my office right now. What the fuck?
Yeah, I was thinking the same. My fingers are freezing right now.
I'm freezing right now, bro.
Look at Maestro up 29.80 from the Maestro himself.
Disgusting. All right, we got orb, baby. We got orb. Here we go.
Looking like a dumperson might happen here.
Yeah, we got orb. Orb is at bottom. SPX is 7. I mean, that's pretty fucking good. NQ dump all the way down. Let's see. If that candle flips, Llama, I'm gonna see if I can't take a mini micros. If this candle flips, see if I can't take some micros, because if that's a failed 3-bar, I would like to see that ripper off the bottom of that range. There's a good risk to reward on the orb here. The orb is nice.
The Pope haunting since you're trading and not mourning. Wow.
Down 3 Hondo. Let's see. Discontinuation. Yep, there's a continuation.
That break and retest of the 236. This might go, bro. I think this can go.
Short.
Yeah, I think it could.
Testing the bottom. It's getting ready to test the bottom of orb here on SPX. That's all I'm watching.
If we can give a breaky wakey, that would be kind of crazy.
Yeah, it'd be disgusting.
Going so far. I mean, we got to see what.
All right, we're testing the bottom of orb here. We're getting ready to test the bottom of orb. SPX right on the freaking nose. Right on the nose right here. NQ's previous low is at 60, Llama. There is a crazy good risk to reward right here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens right here. All right, there's an orb test. There's an orb test. Is it print?
Does it print? Does it flip? Bottom side orb? What happens here? Does it break out? Does it respect bottom side?
I'm excited. I mean, it's dumping straight down. If you're going to fight the trend, this is the spot where you fight it. You know, you pick that battle. You know, and Q holding above 60 is your stop. There's just a really good risk to reward there. No, not no mo. Not no mo.
All right, so you know what I'm going to be looking for here? I'm going to be looking for the next candle to just retest orb.
Yeah, I'm going short, probably. I'm going short on the orb break. I'm going to try and scalp the short orb break right there. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm going to be looking for something like this.
3-bar.
That's what I'll be looking for. But we need to see printage, though. If I don't see printage, I'm not a fan.
Moving. Ooh, that thing's moving. Let's see if we pop back in the orb. I'm going long, Llama. I'll take it.
I mean, if it definitely breaks over this high,
if we pop in the orb, I'm going long.
Right.
Watch this. If this candle flips, I don't even care, bro. I don't even care. If we pop right here, hold on. If it
comes and takes, I might even put like a limit.
And hold on.
I might put like a limit right here.
Oh, here we go. Hold on. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Let me see 5207 on SPX.
Or a buy limit.
All right, bang. Hold on.
Right.
I'm taking it.
I'm taking it
right there. I'm taking the long. I'm taking it. I'm in. I'm in.
Also in, but hold on.
Stop loss just at stop loss at fucking candle low. This is risking, or we're risking, what is that? 64 stop loss. 64 stop loss on NQ. Risking a total of 9 points. Beautiful trade. 9 points. There we go.
Order line.
9 points. Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! I caught that motherfucker, dog. Whoa!
Yeah, I'm in that. Definitely still in that.
I'm up 700, 800 on micros. I'm up 2,400. Whoa! I'm up 1,000 per account on micros. I'm up 1,000 per account on micros. Hold on, I'm holding it.
Why is it not popping up on Trading View though?
Stop loss is going to be all the way up at like 85 right now. Stop loss at 85. Stop loss at 85. Whoa.
Why is my shit not popping up, bro?
Lickety. I'm going to scale into the long here. I'm going to take a little bit more. I'm going to scale into the long and move the stop loss up to 90. I'm going to scale into that long. Oh, there it goes. Oh, break the midline. Break the midline for me, baby. Show me 16. Show me 16.
We're talking
Oh,
spicy.
patience. Patience was the player. Patience was the player.
Why is it not? Oh, you
All
know
right, I'm
what it
moving my
is?
stop loss. I'm moving my stop loss to 95. I don't
I'm
give a
still not
fuck.
trading this pro account. That's why it's not popping
Oh, here
up.
we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh,
14, 15. Oh,
interesting.
I'm up huge. Let's go on the
Okay, I
micros.
figured it out. I figured it
On
out,
the
guys. I figured it
micros.
out. I was in
All right,
on
I'm gonna
that, but I
scale
was
out
on
some.
an
I'm gonna
account I'm
scale
not
out some
trading.
right here. I'm gonna scale out 10 cons right there. Stop loss at 95. Stop loss at 95. Oh my god, that was fucking sick.
Yeah, that's the one there too.
And I'm tapped out, tapped out, tapped out, tapped
One
out,
runner.
tapped out.
Bro, I was so
Damn.
confused, and it's because you know what's been going on here, Maxie?
That was
I had
disgusting work. Who just
requested.
1 second? 1 second. Sorry, Llama. Who just caught that long? That was disgusting work. One and done, baby. Holy shit.
I'm still in it. Gonna see. I have one runner break even, but bro, I have one account, one pro account that bro, I requested 3 bands out of it like 4 days ago, and it's
Right.
still sitting in there.
Really?
So I'm not trading it because I don't want to delay the withdrawal.
No, if you got a pro account with a withdrawal, I wouldn't.
Exactly. I'm not trading it. So I was wondering why it wasn't popping up on my trading view because I jumped in. I'm filled still. I'm still in the trade at
I
79,
got
which is
in.
probably gonna come take me out.
Oh, I got in that thing. It shot up from 68 to took final profit on the rejection at 12. That's 32, 47 points there. Just caught on micros, Llama. 47 points. Now I'm gonna wait for this candle to come back and be retested. The drop there.
I'm about to get taken out. Break. Oh, where's my stop loss? Okay, no stop loss. It's closed for minus $11 on one micro that I had running. All right, that was good. We
That was a
scooped, bro. We
buy.
scooped. I literally
Bro, who
jumped in,
caught
bro, at
that long with your
79. That shit
boy?
was crispy.
Here's the same risk to reward style trade right here that it just filled. I
Yeah.
think I'm gonna probably just wait. If let me see SPX. SPX bounces again on orb right here. I'm definitely gonna go for another long. Just watching this.
Good Friday late process. Yeah, dude, it could be that. The thing is, no, the weird part is, boss man, is it withdrew out of all the other accounts except this one. That's the
Man,
weird,
that
the
was
weird
so
part I'm
sick.
having is that
That was
it's
so
it
sick.
withdrew out of all the accounts except for one, and that was the one account that was on the screen, which is why you guys didn't see the execution. This
Ooh,
sub is
breaking
good, my friend.
orb, newer low
Yeah.
here. Hold on,
Yeah.
breaking orb for the
CPI midline is
retrace.
free. Struggling with all my settings though.
Previous lows at 49. There's a really good risk to reward there.
Ooh, there's a break and retest here on ES. ES doesn't break back in. This shit could fall nasty.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Could fall real big. I'm gonna wait. I think if SPX gets back to that 6 or 7 mark again, I'm gonna take the same exact trade.
Wow,
The same
17
exact
point
trade.
stop loss. It's like a 17-point stop loss if I jump in.
Take that same exact banger, boy. That was sick.
I might jump on this sell and then scale in if it gives me my confidence. Yeah.
That's not a bad idea.
I was thinking to just jump in there because the stop loss was so tight at the top wick. That's a clean break and retest right here, guys. That's what I was just talking
Nasty
about.
break. And NQ's just going. I like it too, Llama. I like it too. It's
I think I'm
falling.
gonna jump at it.
Let's see. Yeah, hold on.
I
I might
waited
make a
too
newer
long,
low.
bro. I waited too long. That's 15 points. I just
You didn't
fucking
wait. You didn't wait. You didn't wait nothing, player. Keep going.
taking that one.
There goes.
Taking that one. It filled me terrible, but that was a perfect top there. And the ES one was even better for the higher entry. That would have been my
Watch this
scaling.
psychological level on NQ. We got a psychological buy
Yeah.
zone right here on NQ. This is a big psychological level.
Point stops right here, guys. Stops right here. I need to change the color of this to dark mode. There you go. We're just
Big
holding a previous
psychological
candle
level.
high. Previous candle high is the hold. We want to see if we just stay outside of orb here. We want to see if we could just hold outside of orb and then we can
Ooh,
come
this is the
target.
one. Ooh, this is a perfect looking. This right here. This might be a nice sell.
I'm in it. Stops at 69.
You're in the short?
Yeah, I'm in it. It filled me really bad though. I tried to fill at 59. It
It
filled me
looks
at
good, bro. It looks good.
50,
That 50
it filled me
breaks. That 50
it filled me at
breaks.
52.
But if we get a candle flip, I'm going long though.
It breaks back in. I mean, I have a pretty tight stop loss.
No, the
Like
short looks
62.
good. The short looks good. It's just a wickety flickety. There's a good risk to reward here. Really good risk to reward here. Let's see if that thing can get some action. I think if NQ gets above 60 though, I gotta jump.
I'm sitting. I'm like at break
It's
even.
literally just a 50 psychological level holding right now. That's the only thing holding right now is that 50 psychological level. If that thing snaps, you're good to go. If that thing snaps, you're so
If it
good.
breaks, it's going straight to 18,000.
Right,
If
right,
it
right.
breaks through.
Right. You can see it wicking perfectly right off that thing. No buying pressure. SPX barely buying pressure. There it goes. There it goes.
Hitting 30 ticks. Kind of moving here. Up like 400 bucks.
Killing it, baby. Killing it.
50
Looks
ticks.
good. I told you that short looks good, boy. There it goes. There it goes. That's a beautiful setup. That's the
Can I get a
easiest
one?
setup. The
Can
break
I
it
get a
on,
one in the
bro.
chat if you're in this trade, guys?
Bro, no
Get a
limits on the
one in
pro,
chat.
Jamal. Jamal, you pop off, my boy. There's no limits on the pro. Let's go, Llama. There it goes. It looked good.
Take a partial
Llama, that was an
30.
A
I'll take another
plus
partial
max
here.
setup. That
I
was
mean,
an
yeah,
A plus.
before it happened, I told you guys what I wanted to see. Everyone should be in this trade because before it happened, I said I want to see a break and a retest of orb. So everyone should have been already waiting for that to happen, guys.
No, that was nasty. That was the
Everyone
easiest
should
setup
have
of
been
the
waiting
That was the
for that to
easiest
happen.
setup of the day. That was the easiest setup of the day. Llama just fucking smacked it.
Yeah. 80 ticks in profit. I'm gonna take a partial at pre-psych level and then at another psych level if it can go. I want to see this shit hold. I might even put a partial here at this stop at this candle right here. So
Right.
now I have 3 cells in. Might get rid of this and then I'm gonna have the other 2 running at 59. I just have them all waiting to get taken out.
There it goes. There it goes, my boy.
Almost 100 ticks in profit,
That was a
guys.
beautiful short, bro. That was a beautiful short. I'm
And it
not even
filled
in
me
it. I'm gonna
really
be honest
bad.
with you. I didn't take a trade after that pop. I just caught a 47 points. So I'm just sitting here chilling. But this short looks fucking wonderful.
Yeah. No, and it was fucking, bro. It filled me really bad. That's 100 ticks there, guys. Just off 100 ticks, you could take a partial. I might even try this. Ooh, let me not move it on trade. You have to move it on.
Yeah, this thing is
I'm going
just
right on top of that candle just to pay myself
5200
at
break
least
SPX here. 5200 break of SPX here is huge.
Why is it not moving now? Fuck, I should have moved it on Trader. No, it's not moving on trading.
What's not moving on Trader?
Stop loss because I hadn't moved this. So I'm gonna have manual tracking. 120, 140 guys are moving to the first TP is probably gonna get hit in a second. I'm gonna partial out here. I have a partial sitting at I don't even know what this is. This where our stops were like here.
Very nice, my boy.
This targeting for this like a 1 to 6 just based on risk to reward. The trade just made the most sense. I might even force just drag it down. There's one forced out. I already partialed one, so we're gonna close this right here.
Monster fucking trades right here.
2 partialed out there.
Oh yeah.
Wait, did it just add into my position? It did just add into my
you
position.
always do that shit, dog.
I had cell
always do
stops
that
instead
shit.
of cell limits. What the fuck is happening? Hold on.
I'm about to go long. If Llama just partialed in.
Literally just
Llama just partialed in. I'm about to go long.
I partialed in like a fucking clown. Partial out of this.
Hold on, I'm waiting.
Look how low my entry is, bro. I'm killing my entry.
No, don't worry about it though.
Nah,
You got
I'm full closing this shit. I just partialed my
trail
entry.
down. Bro, you always do that shit, bro.
I had a sell stop instead of a sell limit. How do you even put a sell limit? Oh, it's a buy limit.
Here's the 1800 test.
Yo, why is nobody,
look at this
nobody in the chat
Let's
telling me that I'm putting sells instead of
look
buys?
at this short. Look at the short, my boy. That was a beautiful fucking. Where's my students at? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why is nobody in the chat telling me, yo, you're throwing sells instead of buys? Jesus fucking Christ.
Fucking do that shit, bro.
Whatever, bro. I made like 586 times 3. That comes out to 1700.
This short looks.
Oh, you guys told me? Damn, my fault, guys. My fault. I have a lot going on right now. But yeah, you can definitely, you should be already partialed out and you can hold into this.
Look at it go. Look at it go.
This is TP down here, guys.
Keep holding it. There's no reason to drop this short. Hold it. Hold it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not financial advice. There's nothing we do is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes. The NFA, we are not financial advisors, but I hold it. I hold these nuts. I hold it.
Right.
Damn.
I don't even know how to put those sells or buys like that. Yeah, bro, I'm a fucking idiot. That shit is going straight to fucking Money Town. But it was adding me in and I was killing my entry.
That was the most perfect. My students, that was the most perfect entry I have ever seen. And,
it was free, bro.
We do have a couple. Llama.
At the top of this 786 would be the reversal I'd be looking for if it can go there. That would be the final TP, and then I'd be looking for the flip right back around.
I'm about to go long. I don't want to. I really don't want to. But there's something that my students see right above.
Just give it a second.
I'm gonna give it a second.
You want to give yourself a smaller stop loss, so just see if it can give a little bit of a lower push, and then you can go
to the fucking
one of the levels. Yeah,
it's
you
gonna
might
3 bar.
for one of the levels and see if it can go.
Yeah, it's gonna 3 bar down right now. It's gonna 3 bar down right now.
TP right there.
It's gonna 3 bar right to that
6 RR trade. There's the 786. Everyone should be very partialed out and holding at least a runner, one baby runner, but you should be at least 80% of your position should be gone already now, guys.
All right. I gotta take it long, llama. If this candle flip, as soon as I see a candle flip up or a print through the previous candle, I'm going long. I'm going long because I have to. I think SPX has got room to go back up all the way to like, I think it might retest 5,200 at some point.
It can go.
Yeah,
It
it
can
could
go.
definitely go. It could definitely
It can
go.
definitely go.
So, I don't want to. I don't want to, but once then I see one green candle or any bullish candle, a structure break, any bounce, I'm
30
going long.
seconds already pushing aggressive. 30-second candle already engulfed.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. All right, hold on. I'm gonna. Oh, I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. No,
No, you're
that
good.
wasn't.
You're
That
good.
was bullish
You
on
have a tight
NQ, but it
stop.
wasn't bullish on SPX. That would
Yeah.
right. You just saw that was bullish on NQ, but that was not bullish on my setup. So I have to wait.
You can get in this with like a 6-point stop loss on NQ. Pretty
Gotta wait.
tight. Risk to reward.
I gotta wait.
Oh, stop loss taken out. Well, I think you know, I think I'm one and done or two and through because I did take the first
Kuster. That short is, bro. That was the most perfect fucking short I've seen.
It was free. It was
that was
so
the most
free.
perfect short I've seen in a fucking while, my guy. That was
It was so
nice.
free. I literally drew it out. I literally pulled this shit out and I said, guys, I want to see this, and then all the way down. I literally drew it out for you guys. So the people that are like, oh, but you're not telling us when you're in. I literally told you what to look for. And then I jumped in with you and then said I'm in and told you where to TP at, guys.
Hold on.
This is the 786 going to work, bro. I would take this.
Get to that 80, if we get that 84, 85 break on SPX, here's the long.
I would take
the fuck out of this. 84, 85, boy, I gotta go.
Even though it's not financial advice, I would take the fuck out of this.
Right. It's not financial advice, but if it goes, oh, here we go.
To be real with you, bro, I would definitely, even though it's not financial.
I'm gonna wait for the next candle. I want to see a print through and a continuation. I'm gonna wait for the next candle. I'm gonna be patient because it is downtrending and I don't want to fight the trend. So I'm gonna wait for the confirmation of the reversal before I take that shit. So I'm not gonna jump on this candle. I'm gonna wait for that confirmation candle because this thing could just wick the fuck down and kill it. I'm not about that life, llama. I'm a sniper, my boy. I'm a sniper. So now this candle needs.
Hold on. I gotta reply to this fucking dork on Instagram. He's still commenting on my page,
bro. Stop.
This guy said,
these losers, bro.
Listen to this. I want the chat to hear this. We got 1,000. Damn, Darth with 33,725. Jesus fucking Christ. Listen to this. I want to know what the chat thinks about this. This guy says, if you're slapping trades back to back, flexing profits every 5 minutes, that's not freedom. That's financial anxiety in disguise. Real freedom is trading, and trading comes from control, not chaos. Show me consistency over 6 months at a spike on the chart and a slogan. What? So apparently I am an over trader, and apparently I don't know how to trade, guys.
Why are you talking to these weird? Why are you talking to these weird?
Come to on my page, bro. I'm talking about I'm not consistent and that I take 50 trades in a day.
I don't know why you talk to these people on socials, my boy. Dark trade,
I like
33,000. Hold on, SPX might give me. This might be a 3-bar up. I'm gonna take it if we get above 84.
Max, if you don't take it, I'm gonna take it, bro.
If we get above 84, I'm taking the long. If we get above 84, I'll tell everyone right now. If it goes above 84, I'm taking the long.
You're really starting to piss me off, Max. I'm about to just take it.
Oh, I need confirmations, my boy.
You're really starting to piss me off, Max. I think I'm gonna just click the button here. Oh my god.
I need confirmations, my boy.
It's melting, Max.
That's why I told you I need confirmations. You talking about you better take it. If I take it, you take it. I take it to do. If I'm fighting the trend, I need confirmations. I'm not fucking just jumping on nothing. Hell no. Hell no. Confirmations, my boy. We need SPX to flip and break above 84. And I'm going long.
All right. That's the last time I replied to this guy.
Bro,
I gave him his attention. What?
You ever heard of handle these?
Yeah. That's what I was trying to tell him.
You should tell him to handle these.
I was trying to tell. I literally, bro. I'm trying to say shit without getting banned, though. You feel me? You know my page.
Stop responding to people on social media, bro. Yo, whoa, hold on.
Whoa, guys, package just touched down. that Chick-fil-A breakfast, though.
Llama,
Llama, you going to the BBQ?
10 a.m.
What BBQ?
10 a.m. on a Monday?
Did I not get invited to a barbecue, Max? Are you getting exposed right now by your brother?
10 a.m. on a
barbecue and didn't tell me?
Well, hey, Dan, what barbecue was Llama going to?
The one where I put my meat on your grill. God damn.
You got your ass, boy. Bald Dan got your ass, boy. You dumbass bitch. Hey, Bald Dan just killed your ass, boy.
This bald motherfucker, bro.
Bald Dan just smoked your ass, twin.
Like, yo, what's up with that bald guy?
Bald Dan just smoked your ass.
Bald Dan, while you're here, bro, have you finished my fucking taxes, bro? You know I'm trying to buy a house here and I need my taxes.
Yeah, my boy said, fuck your taxes. He got you with the meat on.
Hold on. Don't fire me. I'm getting a call. Hold on. Don't fire me.
All the guy does is eat and take fucking phone calls on stream. This is crazy. He thinks because he hit the short on the fucking Maxway. He thinks because he hits the fucking Maxway short that he said don't fire me. You see that? Because he's taking another phone call on stream. Yeah, that's that's Chick-fil-A calling his ass because they fucked up his order. He put in 3 complaints already. I told y'all I wanted 3 fries. You only sent 2 in the bag. I told y'all I wanted extra cheese on my biscuit. I didn't get extra cheese on my biscuit. All right, next psychological level on NQ 950. No, it's all good, it's all good, twin. It's all good. Just make sure I get some cheese on my biscuits next time. I said I wanted 6 pieces of cheese on my biscuit, but you guys only gave me 3 pieces of cheese. Fat ass, man. Right now he's just talking about, yeah, I hit a short, bro. I hit the short. It was nasty. Fucking 100 points. No big deal. It's fucking, I hit the craziest short right now, bro. Tap in. Seriously, the core's going crazy right now, bro. Fucking, you know what it is. I gave these market levels pre-level.
I'm at work.
Oh, all right, bro. Yeah, all right, bro. What's
Did
up,
I unmute? Did I unmute too early? I did.
we heard it. We heard it. We heard it.
Okay, bro.
We heard it.
Yeah, what it is, man. Take that buy though.
Okay,
Do I have to jump in this buy for y'all to take this buy?
Bro, ain't jumping in nothing, cuz. Not until we get confirmation, cuz.
All right, I'm in, guys.
What? I mean, SPX kind of hitting that 84. I need to see the next candle, Llama. The next candle.
This is
Next
free,
candle is all that
bro.
matters
So
because it could
free.
wick down. Next candle, that's all that matters on SPX.
It's so free. Do I really have to not want in? Do I have to break my fucking discipline for you guys to take a trade right now? Can I get a warning if you're in?
It's the next candle that continues, then we're good to go. I mean, I'm just waiting, baby. I'm just waiting.
Just hanging around.
Just hanging around. That's why that
Just
candle
hanging
has
around.
to go. That candle has to go all the way up to make a high for me to like it.
Boy said, big news from Llama. He just got sponsored by Chick-fil-A. Yo, matter of fact, I'll tell you guys one thing. I ain't posting no more food from nowhere unless we are sponsored. Right up.
Damn. Who would you want to get sponsored by? If you had to choose your dream food sponsor, who would it be?
Sponsored, if like what we talking about? Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
I mean, you eat every morning 6 fucking meals, so obviously breakfast.
Breakfast. I need them McGriddles on deck, on standby.
I mean, so you want Mickey D's? You going for the top dog?
We catch a Mickey D sponsorship, Max. Just know we made it, my boy. No, we made it, my boy.
Yeah, that would be huge. That would be huge.
What's Llama's cholesterol level? I'm actually obnoxiously healthy. It's kind of weird. Logan.
Who said what's Llama's cholesterol? Oh, Logan.
With Logan.
Oh yeah, of course.
Logan. Look at that. Well, hold on. But can we focus on this McGriddle production? Can we get this McGriddle up? Look at that. That's crazy work. How do you make a bun with syrup inside of it?
Jesus Christ.
You know what it is? I'm like a sweet and savory type of guy. You feel me? Bro,
like,
Max, I didn't even tell you what happened this weekend. You want to know what happened?
Hold on. Your boy's about. Hold on. I'm about to go long. Hold on.
Damn long, Max.
Hold on. I'm about to go long. Hold on.
You still not in this long?
Give me the structure. Break the structure.
Max, you still not in this long, bro?
Bro, it didn't break the structure. I'll take it. I'll take the staircase up if it goes above 70, but it didn't even touch that. It didn't break, bro.
Get in here with a stop at 50. Point stop loss. You're good to go. Right here. Look. 61. Boom. Perfect tap. 10 point stop loss.
Not yet. Nope, not jumping.
It's gonna take you out. Yo, Max, so you want to know what
you just tried to fuck me, cuz? You just tried to fucking bamboozle me, cuz? You think I was gonna jump?
Look at that wicked flip, though.
Dude, that shit flips. I'm definitely going long. Hey, that shit flips. I'm going long.
Look at that wicked flip, though.
Hey, hold on.
ES is just holding the 786 so crispy, bro. I would have took this trade 18 years ago with a stop at the fucking structure low right here.
Bro, that shit fucking flips. All you're gonna hear is order filled. Hey, that shit flips. All you're gonna hear is order filled.
But said you just try to fuck me, cuz is a wild sentence. Right. Kind of. That boy YM.
Who said that, cuz?
YM Llama, young Mexican.
YM Llama's always on some gay shit, bro.
Oh, bro. So you know what's funny? I just got the phone call, and it was from my boy who's a trader, like a pretty big trader. He said, bro, why are you still replying to these guys? I don't know. I'm bored.
Told you, bro. Told you. You don't need to be.
He's like, how is this guy telling you to be consistent when you're the most consistent on the internet? I'm like, I don't know. I'm just bored. Like, what do you want me to do about it?
Bro, you need to stop replying to these
10-14, I'm done trading, guys. I'm bored as hell.
You need to stop replying to these clowns.
Their
whole job is to get a rise out of you, bro. Their whole job is to get a rise out of you, and you let them do it.
It's hard, twin.
They're bringing you down. They're bringing you down to their level and beating you with the stupidity, bro. They're bringing you down.
Still not in this long though?
Huh?
You still not in this long though?
taking it.
That's it right there. That's the guy, bro. Look at all these taps of the 786, bro. This shit is actually so crispy.
No, I'm taking it.
So crispy.
Oh, you can't take it without confirmation. You can't take it without
Bro,
confirmation.
so Max. Come
on.
Guess what happened?
What happened?
Chat, do you guys want to know what happened?
We're waiting. What happened?
Nah, I need the chat to tell me. Passing 2 evals, mama. Good job. All right. Chat wants to know. So, guys, I came to the realization that we are not financial advisors, and everything that we do is for entertainment purposes. So I just wanted to remind you guys that we are not financial advisors, and we just be here for entertainment. Shut your stupid ass. Y'all boys really filming that shit again.
Got your dumbass.
I got your dumbass in the chat. Them boys like, damn, he really got my stupid ass.
Damn, God, we really thought they was.
Right. No, but for real though. So bro, yesterday my monitors weren't connecting to my PC. Random, boom, broken. I'm like,
Wow,
yo,
what a dumpy. It is dumpy.
Wozer. I told you I don't take that by. Should have listened to the advice.
Ain't no advice. This is just
advice.
this is just gorgeous, bro. SPX is just gorgeous. I'm just looking at it like, I'm
Son
in
of a
love.
who?
I'm in love.
Hold on, dictionary. What's it say? Nothing here is financial advice. We're not financial advice. Everything here we do is for entertainment. Right.
Everything we do is financial advice. Everything we do is financial advice. Lies.
Max, you can't say that. You know they're gonna clip that. Yo, why is there a picture of me when I was on Ozempic in the chat? And who is that? Zame. Hey, why you?
This is a crazy dumper, my guy.
Little Caucasian girl just posted a picture of me when I was on Ozempic.
This is a crazy dumper. I kind of want to YOLO one of my pro accounts long.
Y'all fuck with that picture yet? Llama look fresh there. Catfish posted a catfish. Damn. Y'all don't even know the drip. You can't even see the shoes are also Gucci. I matched the Gucci with the Gucci. I don't even know. Big ass shoes. Yeah.
You did what?
Size 13 shoe. You know Max is size 14. That's kind of crazy.
I got a size 14 because my foot's fat, bro. It's not the length is like 13 and a half. It's a very awkward situation.
Yeah. It is a fat ass foot.
It's a very awkward. It's a very awkward.
Why is Nick getting on this? Nick replied to this girl. He's like, "Why is your head so big?" Nick,
Who you say that to?
The girl that posted a picture of me.
Oh my god!
Day now. Time to get ready to skydive. Yo, Darth is living right now.
Hey, bro, why not? My guy's living.
He was talking about me. That's that 0.5. It was a 0.5 effect. That 0.5 made me look. You feel me?
Bro, I got a pro account, bro. Llama, I got a pro account that I didn't even trade today. I'm sitting here thinking I'm gonna YOLO this fucking thing long. But I swear I'm about to YOLO this fucking thing long. How much? If I go 3 cons, bro, YOLO a pro account is crazy.
I know that bitch.
Had a good day, bro. I'm just like, do I say fuck it and YOLO a pro?
Yeah, hell yeah. Every day of the week.
I think SPX can go like back up to ORB almost.
Yeah. Me too.
Bro, if SPX goes back to ORB, the pros would be up crazy.
Yo, how's that boy Perkins? How you doing, bro? I see this guy in the chat. We gave that boy 3 accounts in one day. 3 accounts.
One day.
Up 1585. That boy Perkins off them perkies.
I'll tell you right now.
Oh, get in, man. I've been telling you for like, bro, you would have only been down like 80 points. You're good.
You want me to YOLO the fucking pros?
YOLO that shit, bro. Max, YOLO it, bro. I'll go half with you. I'll give you that 120. You know there's no activation. I'll go half on the account with you. Yo, when's those meta calls? Trying to see what's up with that option, twin. Like, you really just finesse me on 3 bands like that?
You want to see what that? Well, bro, the market's down big. You really want to look at that?
I just thought about it. I just looked at meta. It's just down like fucking 6%.
I'm YOLOing a pro account right now.
Where is it? Where's meta?
I'm literally YOLOing a fucking pro account.
It's down $16 today.
I'm literally YOLOing a fucking pro account so SPX gets back up into the 90s. Oh, Mama, you don't want to see it, my boy. You don't want to see it.
Shit down 70%.
Oh, you don't want to see it, my boy. All right.
Let me see. I want to see.
That's why I don't buy options, bro.
That shit is down 43%.
This is why you don't buy options, bro. Options buying is the fucking.
I posted a video today talking about why I don't buy options. I posted it today.
Options buying is the dumbest shit, bro. The dumbest. Why you don't buy options, bro? Because you just get fucking cooked. You just get fucking cooked when you buy options. Seriously.
Oh, if you guys made money today, feel free to tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna be reposting these. I just got a few messages. These guys are in profit right now. Jesus Christ.
Profit. They're posting on the gram?
Yeah, my boy Santo.
Y'all need
remember I told you I had a mentee that's a ping pong Olympian?
Tag that boy Llama on the gram. He's gay.
That boy never closed it. That boy Santo got in where we got in at. Remember I told you a mentee that's a ping pong Olympian?
Right. Oh, yeah, the ping pong guy.
He's still trailing him, bro, all the way at the top.
He's nasty.
Guys
He's
up a
mad.
band, bro.
I want to see this
Fucking
SPX move, boy.
Jesus Christ.
We'll see. Maybe I have a pro account at the end of the day. Maybe I don't. We'll see, Llama.
Bro, just YOLO that shit, bro. Like, come on, lock in, Twiffer.
Lock in, twin.
I'm sick of you not being locked.
Tell me what I need to do then. What do I need to do? Bro, are you
Go
hello?
long, bro. Go
Hello?
long. Go
Get
long.
off
Go
your
long. Go
phone.
long. Go long. Go long. Go long. Hold on. I got you. Hold on. Let me hold on.
God.
Let me hold on. Let me pull out my other chart and really get my in-depth and tell you exactly what to do. I'll tell you exactly what to do. Yo, actually, while the editors are sitting here doing absolutely nothing, I want you guys to make a video of Max doing that YOLO and me hitting him with the walkthrough and then him fucking printing. That video needs to get done.
Right.
Super good video. I got you,
It's a
Max.
good-
Hold on. I'm about to pull out this in depth. I'll tell you right now where we're stopping at because people are just gonna keep wondering where's the low. And
Where is the low, Llama? Where's the low today, Llama?
I'll tell you exactly where the low is right now. Just give me about like 2 seconds. All right.
Where
If we break
is
past 905, we're going down here to 859.
Where's the low, Llama? Bro, it don't matter, dog. I'm like, it don't matter. Bro.
This is gonna keep going down. If we come up to 953, you sell that shit. I got my first payout of 5K from Quan. You remember Quan?
Yo, where's Quan?
Boy, Quan. Should we call him up?
No shot. He got the payout from the account we gave him?
I don't know. I'm gonna call him up right now.
Quan, from the account we gave you? And he got your free. Yo, blow it up for Quan. Blow it up for Quan. Yo, let's go. Big boy news. I got my first alert on SPX Llama set at fucking 51.80. That's where SPX needs to go up $1. 51.80. And then the next alert, right? The next alert, Llama, is the break of structure, which is all the way up here by 84. We're just gonna hit that alert at 84. And then TP. The alerts all the way up on the box.
Oh, that boy Quan's in the chat. Quan, talk to us.
Talk to us, Quan.